My name is Ryan. I am a tooth transplant patient here at Dr. Bolton's. Came across Dr. Bolton, met with Josh, and felt like it's something that I needed to do. I can style it with gel when I put anything, conditioner or gel in, but now it's thick. My regular barber was out of town. I just told him, I said, be careful about going, too short. So he couldn't even tell. He was amazed to find out that I had actually had a hair transplant. When people started to see my hair come back, they actually, why did you ever shave your head? Why didn't you grow? You have such a nice thick head of hair. It's just amazing. I'm extremely happy with it. I love you, Dr. Bolton. I mean, the whole staff here, everybody. And I'm happy for it. I'm grateful for it.
In fact, of course, every time you looked in the mirror, you were frustrated because you started to look older than what you were. From everything that I saw, he was the right person to do the job. The results couldn't be any better than what I expected, actually way beyond what I expected. The procedure went fabulous. It could not have gone any better. I didn't have any pain. It just starts to grow in stronger and stronger. Each month just gets better and better, and you start to look exactly the way you're expecting yourself to look. He should be put on a pedestal for his type of work that he does, because it's absolutely phenomenal. He does a fabulous job. I would recommend him to anyone whatsoever.
I'd say 15 years. It was frustration. The hair system is way more expensive and a lot more maintenance and a lot more frustration. And I went on the website and I looked at the pictures of before and after. You're definitely made to feel welcome. It's simple. You're comfortable. Not really any pain during or after. It's a lot more simple than you would think it would be. I would say to Dr. Bolton, thank you for giving my life back.
I did a lot of research. I did Rogaine. I got my doctor to give me a Propecia. Dr. Bolton felt comfortable. The staff was great. I've never had a single issue having the scar. I don't even know it's there, to be honest. You come in, they accommodate you, you run your files. There's no stress. I actually enjoyed it. I'm looking forward to going into my next procedure. I don't see a benefit in getting FUE. I really don't. I wouldn't waste your time researching anymore online. Come in, get the procedure, and move on with your life. Thank you so much for helping me rid years of insecurities. I can never repay you other than actually paying you for the service. Thank you so much.
The first time I noticed hair loss, worried and self-conscious, I was won over by looking at Dr. Bolton's videos. The idea that he said, look, let me just go back there and grab as much hair as I can, and every hair that I grab, I'll put on the top of your head, made a lot of sense to me. Well, you look great, you look great. They don't know what it is, like the genes, they can't figure it out. But I know the difference. Oh my God, you really have hair. And people are really stunned, they can't believe it, like, this really worked, you really have hair. Without hesitation, unequivocal, categorical, absolutely. Dr. Bolton's the only guy I would go to.